Okay, everyone. Oh, we started in the wrong way. We're going backwards, but I think it's gonna be fine. So, everyone, we are back at Saven. This time in the front row, which is gonna be very interesting because we're going to go very high up in the spike. Woohoo! And the water. Wow! Woohoo! Oh, this is super nice. Oh, it's a very nice. Oh, okay, I like it better in the front, to be honest. Wow, super nice. Okay, so that was Saven for the second time of today. Third time, but maybe, yeah, but second time with people riding with us.